going to show you how to subtract numbers with up to 3 digits. So I have the number 435 and I'm going to subtract 273. Now this is a part-whole model. Your children will see images like this in schools, a visual representation. When they see this, this will tell them that this number, when added to this number, gives me 435. So using the inverse, 435 subtract this number will give me the missing number. So they will see it written as that. They will also see it written as bar models. Bar models are called bar models because they're simply made up of bars. So here is a bar model. The whole thing is the same as 435, but we know that part of it is 273, and we do not know what that missing part is. We don't know the value of it yet. Another bar model they might see looks like this. So they will have the whole bar showing 435, and then they will have a second bar underneath showing the number 273. This section here is unknown. That is my missing number. So when the children see any of these calculations, or even see it written as a number sentence, 435 subtract 273 equals that. Okay, we would encourage the children to work it out using a place value grid. So I would draw my ones, my tens, and my hundreds. Okay, so it is useful for the children to see the calculation alongside the place value grid, so they can see how it works together, but equally so that they can remember the numbers as well. Now in your place value grid, I could put the numbers in straight away, but we would usually start the children off using concrete apparatus, whether that be counters, sticks, paper clips, or deans, or base 10 as you'll sometimes hear it called. You can use any equipment that you have at home. You could use Lego bricks, dried pasta is my favourite, anything like that. Or you could simply draw in shapes. I would avoid using circles though, because it looks too much like a zero and that can confuse the children. So I'm going to use triangles. So I'm going to put in my 435. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my 400. 30 is 3 tens, and my 5 ones. Okay, and I'm going to subtract that 273. Okay, now whenever we do subtraction, we start with the smallest column. So I'm going to be using numbers from my ones column to start off with. Okay, so if I match up my columns here, I can see that I need to do 5 subtract 3. 5 subtract 3. So I'm going to take 3 away. So I can cross them out, or I can literally rub them out if you've drawn them, move them if you're using counters, and it has left me with 2 in there. So 5 take away 3 is 2. Okay, now I move to my tens column, and you can see that I have got 3 in here, and I need to take away 7. Well, I've only got 3. I cannot take away 7 if I've only got 3. So what I need to do is I need to exchange. I need to bring something from my hundreds column over here. So what is 100 the same as? Well, it is equivalent to 10 10s. So I'm going to exchange this 100 and I'm going to bring it over to make 10 10. So I'm now going to put in 10 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have exchanged this 100 for 10 10s. Okay, and on the calculation here I can do exactly the same. I'm going to cross out that 4. I'm going to reduce it by 100 and exchange it for 10 10. So if I put that 1 next to 3, it's actually 110, add 3 is 13. So I've got 13 here and I should have 13 here. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, now I can take away 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 have gone. And again, you can rub those out or cross them out. And it should leave me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 has been subtracted, taken away, and it has left me with 6. 13, take away 7, leaves me with 6. And now I go to my hundreds column and I am subtracting 2. So 3, take away 2, cross out those 2, and that leaves me with 1. So I have 1 remaining. So my answer is 162.